I'm out going to watch a movie. Sahi kabla nimalize. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Funky Mommy. I am mother of one handsome, very cute, adorable, lovable, handsome young man. Handsome nimerudia sana juu ni handsome for real. So guys, today I'm in the kitchen. I know it's been a while. They say make plans, make God laugh. But ni vizuri, everyone is fine. Thank you for subscribing. Let's continue doing this. And today I'm in the kitchen. I'm making nachos. Others would call it tortillas. So basically hii ni unga ya ugali na ya chapo imefraiwa. Yes, I'll show you the full recipe. Watch the video to watch the full recipe. And then you guys, kwa hii kitchen we don't force things. Kama una kitu by the una na kama una nyeti ya una in Nairobi si ya mama ya mtu. So you use what you have.
A few moments later.
This is 1 cup of maize flour, normal maize flour, and this is you mash it properly. It looks yummy. I don't know how people hate avocado. I still don't get it. I love avocado. I would literally eat avocado with anything. There's your guacamole. Then you add your tomatoes and onions. And if you have a dania, you can add to. Italeta hiyo color ita pop. Alafu inaleta ka taste kingine katamu. Then you mix. Voila! Your salad is ready. Simple. Then I added a pinch of salt. And my salad is ready to snack with my nachos. 10 minutes later, our dough is ready. Put it in a clean surface again, and then you start rolling out, rolling. Woo! But what I like to do, you might see if this dough is too small, but it's enough, you guys. Because ni ya watoi, so unakata tena hapo. See that?